Technology has taken a dramatic leap forward in the last 100 years, taking center stage in every industry. All the people in the world face technological advances, some are more affected by them, while others are confused by technology. Nevertheless, progress is happening almost every day, and the leading player in this field is artificial intelligence. What is this machine, and why has it already infiltrated human life? Where do its competencies begin, and when does its influence end? These are the questions that computer scientists and inventors who want to move progress forward are asking. But more importantly, outline the ethical component and address the central question: will artificial intelligence replace humans? There is no single answer to the question because it affects several areas of human life at once. Artificial intelligence is an intelligent machine capable of performing many tasks thanks to unique coding. The coding sets parameters and algorithms that lay the groundwork for functioning, and then the AI builds on them with new ones. This sort of thing seems handy and valuable until the AI begins to perform all of humanity's functions, from working in a factory to selling a phone. There will probably be no complete mastery of human life by machines, but no one can underestimate the impact of AI. The market economy, political mechanisms, and healthcare system situation lead to a narrower question: what impact will widespread AI have on humans? Intelligent machines work in many industries and change people's lives, but what if the moment comes when AI starts to harm humanity? StudyCorgi.com has everything you need for successful studies. Writing tools, informative articles, and essay samples. Come check it out.